I still have having trouble to remove the spoiler on the 2021 GMC Sierra 2500. See that guy? So I found a solution, because all you have to do is remove an 8 mil here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 mil. And then here in the bottom, there's 2 more 8 mil, which you need the long deep socket, which is you need 1.5 at least. So what I did is I made my own special tool for now, but if you have an extra 2 8 mil, you can just weld it together. But if you don't have, just use this. I put a screw, and there's a hole inside, so you can put right there the wire, so it's not just gonna spin around. So there you go. Now you can pop up your spoiler. Pop that thing out, like what I'm doing right now. Now you can see it. See? That thing is out. There's another clip here. There you go. See how long is that? See how long is it? See what I mean, guys? See how deep is that socket at this 1.25? See, once you pop that thing out, you'll see a 7 mil here. 1, 2, and then now you can replace your whole spoiler.